Here at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2021 Kawasaki Vulcan S ABS. This bike has around 2,400 miles and is offered for $64.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. In addition to the standard features like a low seat height and parallel twin power, this bike also has a rear passenger seat and foot pegs that have been added, along with a nice carbon fiber exhaust. The bike's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change and a safety check on it, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 40 to 50 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.